What's going on, everybody? It's me, AJ Mentino, the All-American Marketer, and I'm joined today with a very special guest, Stephane and I.
Hey guys, Stephane and I here, the All-American Salesman with Beechmont Ford. Check us out as we go over this awesome F-150. Okay guys, what I've got here behind me is a 2018 F-150 with the adrenaline package. This is the first one that we've done so far this year. This is an XLT 302A package truck. Heated seats, power seats on both sides, touchscreen stereo, backup camera, all the goodies. Beechmont Ford finally got smart and asked me for some input on the wheels and tires. We've got these awesome fuel off-road wheels. Come check these wheels out here. This is a 20x10, not a ridiculous amount of lip, but just enough to give the wheels some depth. Really good looking. We're gonna run this on some Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. Fantastic performer off-road, fantastic performer on-road. It gives you that nice all-terrain performance that you need, but it's not gonna whine as it goes down the highway, which is really, really nice. And these are rated for right around 60,000 miles. So that's a solid tire right there. We've also got pocket-style fender flares. We got those put on there, really dress up the truck, and it gets that wheel and tire package sitting just barely outside the fender well. We also did Catskins custom leather on the truck. Check this out, guys. Awesome high-quality leather here. So now the truck has leather, heated seats. Love it, love it. Say we go drive this thing.
What's going on, everybody? Now we are inside the truck and we're gonna take this puppy out for a spin. Stephane's gonna give you the ins and outs of everything you've ever wanted to know. And without further ado, Stephane, take it away.
Hey guys, what's going on? Here we are inside the Adrenaline Package F-150. As you can see, it's a very well-equipped, it's a very comfortable truck. You've got your touchscreen stereo, which I touched on earlier, heated seats, four-wheel drive with locking rear end, Pro Trailer backup assist, which is exclusive through Ford. The truck is riding, like I said, on the 20x10 fuel wheels, the 35-inch Nitto tires. I absolutely love this tire because it looks good and it still rides really nice. And I can already tell that this tire is way quiet for an all-terrain. It has a great ride. It still looks super cool. This truck is riding on the 6-inch Pro Comp suspension lift. Why we like Pro Comp is because it was actually tested by Ford to not interfere with the factory roll stability control program. So that means that you can get that awesome lifted look and not sacrifice any stability or safety. That's something that we really like. And then this, you know, being an EcoBoost truck, it still runs great. You've got no loss of power. AJ, do you feel like we're down on power at all?
No, I feel like we are cruising just fine.
Yeah, so the truck has an awesome ride. These Catskin leather seats are really nice too. We got the custom F-150 stitching in the headrest. Show them that stitching, AJ. That's a pretty sweet touch with custom leather. I dig that quite a bit. And then if you've never come and driven one of these F-150s, guys, you have got to get in here and drive these trucks. They are the quietest, smoothest trucks on the road. They make awesome power with the EcoBoost engine. So here we are, up to highway speeds now, just under, well, we're right at 50 miles per hour. The truck feels very stable. It's not hunting, it's not wobbling all over the road. This kit is done right, and this thing drives awesome. Hey guys, thanks for checking this out today. I really appreciate it. I hope you think this truck is as awesome as we do. I absolutely love it. For more information on this truck or to build one just like it for yourself, give us a call at 752-6611 or check us out at beechmontford.com.